Welcome back to the next section on all you need to know to be comfortable writing Python scripts. In this section, we go on to explore logical operators in Python. The logical operators we will be exploring and, or, and not. Let's quickly get to the command prompt and let us get the Python interpreter. First of all, let's go on to see what we have with AND. 0 and 0 is 0. Well, this is something we learned when we learned binary, right? So let's go on to see 10 is greater than 9 and 10 is less than 20. Shows me true. 10 is greater than 9 and 10 is less than 2. That is false. 10 is greater than 90. Well, we know that 10 is not greater than 90. So if even one of the two conditions is false, then we know that AND evaluates to false. If both are true, it is true. If one of them is true and the other is false, it is false. And if both of them are false, they are definitely false. So this is a simple example with respect to the AND logical operator. Let's go on to see what we have with the OR operator. So I'm bringing back the same thing. 10 is greater than 9 or 10 is less than 20. Incidentally, 10 is greater than 9 and 10 is less than 20. So when we use the OR operator, even if one of the two is true, the return is true. So now what we'll do is we'll use the same thing. 10 is greater than 9, true. 10 is less than 2 is false. And we are using OR between the two. So because one of the two is true, it is giving me a true. Now let us go on to see another one which is true. So 10 is not greater than 90 as we know, but 10 is less than 20. So observe that it is giving me true. Let's go on to see what happens when both are false. So here is what you have. 10 is greater than 90, definitely not. 10 is less than 2, definitely not. So this is giving me false. So when both are false, that is when the OR will result in a false. If at least one is true, then it returns in true. So this is the OR operator. Now let us see what we have with the NOT operator. NOT 0 says true. We know that 0 is false. 0 is just giving 0. But when I give not 0, it is giving me true. Not 1 is giving me false. So that is the negation operator, the NOT operator. So with this, we come to the end of this particular section. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next section.